Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today's video is going to be empties. This is definitely going to be the last empties for the year. I don't know how many empties I brought to you people, but I just wanted to bring one because I think I used to do a lot of empties on this channel. There are just so many contents I used to do on this channel that I just don't know for the life of me how I stopped. So 2023 is definitely going to be better. Inshallah, I'm going to be more intentional with the kind of contents that I bring. But yes, I have some empties here. Like I was throwing away a lot of empties before I realized that, wow, I should actually, and I watch a lot of empties content, most especially from this lady Tiara Brown. Her contents are so amazing, so that was like, let me bring back my empties. Like empties is a very good content that people like to watch. So if you use a lot of products and you have lots of empties, or you go through products very quickly, don't throw them away, use them as content, and it can even help you generate funds if you have all these affiliate links. So yeah, always check my affiliate links in my channel, in my description box, if you are looking for any products, or if you want to shop at Walmart, Amazon, Sephora, Ulta Beauty, just lots of places. I have them in my description box always. So let us get right into this video. Do not forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yes. So the first empty that I have here is one that is already peeking through on the camera. It is this Home Nutrition. You guys already know that I'm a fan of this brand, only because everything that I have used from this brand is a hit, back to back. Everything from their multivitamins to their to the protein, no, not the superfood green mix that I'm currently taking. If you watch my Sephora video, you would see that I love that totally. So yes, this is the Runway Ready for Glowing Skin, Glamorous Hair, Perfect Nails. It's a 30-day pack. This is very easy. I actually have just 2 left. That is why I felt like I should do the empty for this. So it comes in a pack like this, you know, something that you can just easily grab and put in your bag when you're traveling. Very easy to travel with. I knew I was running out of this. That was why I bought the biotin one in my last video. I'm looking to see if it's close by, then I show you guys. But this is a dietary supplement, you know, for killer nails. It helps with my nails. Like, look at my nails, guys. I have been struggling with my nails for the most part to grow them. I didn't know that once you give birth, you're going to lose your chances of keeping nails, because you're always washing kids, bathing them, touching water, doing all sorts. And you know, before I realized it, lots of damages was done to my nails. My nail bed became a lot weaker, then coupled with the fact that my autoimmune also attacks my nails, making it very weak. So I have been struggling, and honestly this has helped. So I am very sure that my new multivitamin, the one for the hair, it has biotin, is going to continue the work that this one does. Is this a repurchase? Definitely. If I know that I'm traveling, I definitely would have this. Actually, I'm going to save these 2 because I'll be traveling soon, so I'm going to save these 2 so I can go with them. The next one that I have, this is going to be like a combination of lots of things, but looking at it now, I feel like it's largely skincare. Is this, ignore the bottle, is this She Moisture Papaya Vitamin C Revive Brightening Shower Gel. This was all I used the whole of summer. If you guys know, on this channel I always say that I don't pay too much attention to what I like, have a specific brand, that if it is not this brand for my body wash, I can use any soap on my body and it will thrive. So I actually do use Macari soap on a serious days, like, because it's very affordable, $14. So it is, and it's big for the size. Like, you get to use from one Macari soap for months. It is their exfoliating soap. It is not a bleaching soap. I know there is all this misconception about Macari and their products. That was because they did not actually control their market for the longest, so a lot of fake of Macari products were out there, you know, that people were actively using to bleach their skin. But Macari is a brand that, I'm not saying that they don't have products for lightening the skin. I'm just saying that it's a brand for everybody. If it's lightening skin that you want, you do it. If it's your natural skin you want to maintain, you have product for you. So I use their exfoliating bar soap, and I haven't used it this year, coincidentally. No, I used it this year, right? No, I used it ending of last year to early this year, but since February that I got a whole bunch of these from Ulta Beauty, I just have stuck to these. I bought the soap, the bar soap of this thing, product in particular, the Revive and Brighten Papaya, and I bought the shower gel just in case if anyone finishes before the order, and I used up all. I used I think I had 3 of these, and I have 3 of the bar soaps, and I used everything, 6 in the whole of summer to this time. I currently use Neutrogena Rainfall shower gel. So this is actually a very good product, and also family. The kids used it. My kids used it as well when we just got back from Nigeria, and nobody had bathing soap. It was the only one we had in the house, so we all were using it. The next product that I have here is a hair product. You guys know I rave about the Main Choice brand on this channel because, again, it is all that we use. Main Choice, Carol's daughter. It is that time of the year. Black Friday sale is around the corner, so we are about to stock up on this. This is the Alpha Daily Hair Dressing Butter. You can see totally empty. I just brought out the last jar, and the last jar is something that is the same one I'm using, the kids are using, so I don't even know if it's going to last us till January. It will barely last us because we all are very hairy people, so we use a lot. So yeah, this one is a staple in my household, and as Black Friday is coming, if I end up doing Black Friday sale, I'll purchases, I'm definitely going to bring Black Friday haul to you guys. So this is home product that I found is the True Living Essentials Amber and Sandalwood Candle. So I bought these from Dollar General, and I bought like 4 of them. I've gone through 2 and we have just 2 left. I love sandalwood. Sandalwood is a mood lifter. It's a mood it's an environment cleanser. Like, the smell of sandalwood is everything, and that is why in this house most of what I burn, either in incense, if I'm not burning kajiji, I'm burning sandalwood incense. And this is because it is not just to perfume the house. There's the science research behind it, sandalwood and vanilla that triggers chemicals in our brains that makes us feel good. And perfumes in general, if they have the right notes, they are very good for the body. So anytime I feel like I'm always burning these, and unfortunately they don't have it. I went back to check, they don't have it again. So I probably have to start making my sandalwood candles, that because of how much I love sandalwood. This is something I've been buying since last year. I don't know why they just don't have it anymore, but I can burn this in a whole day. Just leave it burning. So what I have here left is lots of skincare and body care. My next product is this drugstore dark spot exfoliating scrub. I never used to be a big fan of mechanical exfoliation, and that is to use products with granules, with texture on my face, because for the longest I had a very sensitive skin, not very acne prone skin rather, and using all that on my acne kind of was causing my skin to get irritated more. But once I no longer actively break out, I now find it very easy to use mechanical exfoliants on my skin. And this is from Urban Skin RX. I love this brand. I use this scrub I keep it as my drugstore affordable product. Then my high-end mechanical scrub, I'm going to be bringing that to the channel soon on the next Empties. You definitely will see, because I'm about to run out. I always try to keep high-end drugstore depending on my pocket, and just to make sure that I have a balance. They both work alike, and I have a balance between expenditure for the month or for for a period of time. So yeah, this is very good. It contains 5% glycolic acid, 3% lactic acid, L-ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, and papaya extract. So yeah, I have a thing for papaya and vitamin C any day, anytime. They just help and help make my skin move and move very easy. So yeah, this is a staple, definitely repurchasing. And I have this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Daily Moisturizer that I got in a sample kit, and I like it. But I upped my moisturizer from this to the lactic acid one. So yeah, but this is just an everyday moisturizer for someone that is looking for something that will work for them. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Like, I used it up. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't use it up. So so this is going to be like a weird thing that I'm going to, I don't know if it's, should I say weird? It's not weird, but this is my toothpaste. The reason why I am sharing this with you guys is that I know a lot of people have this consciousness about the whitening of their teeth. I don't have a pure white teeth. I would rather keep my teeth at creamy, but it's not yellow. I know there are people that are working out there working with yellow teeth, but I don't want to be that person. And we do get food stain a lot. Like, we don't know that when we eat our food can potentially stain our teeth. So this Colgate Optic White Pro Series is the best toothpaste I have ever used to help maintain the cleanliness and purity of my skin, of my teeth. I am still lazy to go to the dentist to get my teeth cleaned. I will do that maybe 2023, inshallah. I will bring myself to doing it, but I feel like I have something that is working for me. I use this with the Crest, the Crest mouthwash, the diamond white mouthwash, and they work well for me. When it comes to the toothpaste, I feel like Close Up in Nigeria works better than their average toothpaste here. Even the kids toothpaste here, if you use the kid toothpaste here for your children, if you are not backing it up with mouthwash for them, mouth odor is almost a thing you have to deal with, even with your children. So for my children, they use the regular toothpaste. I don't do kids toothpaste for them anymore, and it cleans their teeth better. It took a while for me to understand that, and coincidentally, one day I was watching Nazor Eze's video on YouTube, and she was talking about how she uses the same toothpaste for herself, for her children. I was like, me too, I do the same, because the children toothpaste don't just do anything. So yeah, this is, if you are looking for something that you can use every day. It does not have the best taste in the mouth, but it does the work for stain prevention. I use it once a day. I don't even do twice a day, because I have mouthwash that I can just use before I go to bed, or I just rinse my mouth rigorously with water before I go to bed. But yeah, I wanted to just share this with you guys in case you are looking for something that will work. Also, there are like 2 makeup products here, so let's go through those ones. So the first makeup product that I have is this Huda Beauty Lifeliner. I ran out of this for the longest, but I just haven't thrown it away. This is, I've said it on this channel before, if you use this liner, you are going to have eyeliner stain in your eye for 48 hours to 72 hours, except you keep digging into your eyes to clean it. I don't know what this is made of, but I mean, if you're someone that you don't want to be applying liner every day, you can just use it and just touch up so you don't look like a raccoon when you wake up in the morning, But my problem with this is just how hard it is to get it off. But again, it was created by Arab women, so they are big on kohl and liner and brows. So I won't be surprised if there is somebody that actually used this very dark one on their brows as an Arab lady, because that is how they love to look. They don't look like raccoons. I mean, they're always with foundation. So yeah, but this is one good liner. After all the negative things I've said, like, I have another one here. Like, I just used it. I have another one here. So this one is going away. And the second one is finally my Clinique Lip Surge Moisturizer is going away. It's finished. I'm not repurchasing it anytime soon, but it is something that I can easily repurchase if I need to buy a lip line, a lip balm or a lip moisturizer. The reason because I have quite a whole lot of lip balms right now. It's almost like I'm swimming in lip balms, but yeah, that is my lip surge. So what next do we have here? Dr. Dennis Gross face wash. I actually have the big size of this, but this is the travel, not the travel size, just the small size, 60 ml. Is the AHA BHA Daily Cleansing Gel. I love this. A little goes a long way. I finished using, I traveled with this, used it in Nigeria and still came back with it. I left the bigger jar at home because left it here in the States because there was no point traveling with it, and I didn't use any other face product. I used this for 2 months in Nigeria. My entire stay in Nigeria, this was what I used. So that is how much to tell you that it goes a little goes a long way for a morning and nighttime use. So yeah, this is what I use this together with my Urban Skin RX soap, face soap. So like I said, I always try to have things into drugstore and high end. We are almost there. So this is like a holy grail item on this channel. This is the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA AHA Salicylic Serum. I love this. This is a very good summer product if you are looking for something that will help maintain your skin and rise above what summer does to the skin, what the summer sun does to the skin. This is a very good product for that. Like I said before, last year, it is continuously going to be a product that I will purchase during summer. If for now it's finished, we are not in summer, even though it's still sunny, like we're in summer in Georgia, I will be buying this next year, inshallah. And finally, I have two products that I love. These are my best empties, if there's anything like that. This is the Idol La Power Cream. It is from the brand Lancome, and this is La Vie as well. It's also from Lancome. I am a Lancome girl. From now, you guys know that my toner is Lancome, my serum is Lancome, perfumes I just love that brand, honestly. My foundation, my concealer, my setting spray right now, and yeah, that is just it about Lancome that I love. So this body perfume, I don't know who needs to hear this, but I mean, if you're a northern lady, you already are familiar with Kulacha scented body butters. So having scented body cream is something that just makes sense to me as a mom on the go. There are times I just wake up, I have my bath, and I know that I don't have time to go all the 9 yards to rub my moisturizer, to spray body spray or mist and perfume all at once. So what I do is to just rub my scented perfumes like body lotion. This one has shimmer in it, so every time I use it, it kind of like you see reflects iridescence on my skin. But this one is just plain, but I just love it. They are well made, keep my skin hydrated all day, and I smell good all day. And whenever I use it, like you are not worried about, I'm not worried that okay, the heat, whatever sweat on my clothes is going to linger on as bad smell, because this kind of cuts that out of it, out of my worries. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this Empties video. It was easy breezy, if I must say, like straight to the point. There were no lots of items, but yeah, definitely I'm going to stay consistent in bringing this kind of content moving forward again, because I see a lot of products getting there. So I'm probably going to be doing it a quarterly thing or by monthly thing. I don't know. I'm just going to think about a proper schedule for this so that I don't just come here and show you guys two products and tell you guys they are my empties. But again, I mean, in a month, if I have quite a few, I would try to maybe incorporate it in a vlog or something. But anyways, let me know if you like this content, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.
It's like a family tree.